Hi there, it's Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Today we're going to do a black marble. We're using the Stone Coat heat resistant epoxy, part A and B. We mixed it 1-to-1 ratio for 2 minutes. And the other thing we're going to put on this, we already got 2 coats of black. Bare paint primer 1, 2 coats, sanded between coats, all prepped, ready to go. And now we're going to put on the white marble effect. We'll spray this on and then we'll let it dry and then we will put the epoxy on it from there. So we'll shake this up and we'll spray this on. This is a real cool effect. I hope you guys can see, the black is a hard color to get on video, but hopefully we can pick it up pretty good and you can see what's going to happen. What do you think? A little more, or is that enough? Well, another one right through there, huh?
Probably put another one right through there too.
This one?
Yeah.
Sink's gonna be right here.
Oh, true.
Oh, that's awesome.
It is.
Perfect. Alright, now we're just gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then we'll pour the clear over that, and then it's gonna be awesome. We'll wait and see. Alright, we let that dry and now we're going to spread this out. We're just going to be using our hands today. This is small enough, I'm not going to use a trowel. But we normally use a 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel so you get the right amount of epoxy everywhere. But it's a small one, we're just going to spread it by hand. As you can see, I got my backsplashes right next to the piece. That way, all the lines line up and everything. So when I put this all together on the counter, it'll look like it came off the same piece of marble. So now we're just going to spread this out evenly across the piece. And by doing it with my hands, it saves me from doing the trowel and the chopping. Plus, it's sort of fun painting by hand. Get my edges real quick here. Let that flow over. Get good coverage on my front edge. Alright. Got my backsplash. Guess I better get the rest of this, huh? Black marble is a nice, easy one to do. Anybody can do these. All the work was done before we even put the epoxy on it. So if you didn't like it, you wouldn't even waste any money on epoxy. You could just start right over. And once you get your marble effect the way you want it, then you can do your epoxy, and that's where most of the money's at anyway. You could have just repainted over the black, over the marble that you didn't like, and then respray it. But we were happy with this one right off the bat. Alright. Just about done with spreading out the epoxy, and next we will get the torch out and get all the air out of the epoxy. I'll spread these apart now, so they don't stick together. Don't want that. Alright, I'll take my glove off, wipe one down, get my torch. Now we're going to take the torch and get all the air bubbles out. And I can see it happening, but you guys won't see it on the video. But you can see all these little air bubbles when we mix the epoxy. We got air in it. So now we'll get it out with the torch. Okay, got it out first try, and then we'll do it 2 more times. Let this dry overnight, we'll sand her down, we'll put another coat on tomorrow. And then this counter will be ready to be installed. Alright, here we are. It's been 4 days. I got the second coat of clear on it. We sanded after the first coat after 24 hours, put a coat of clear on it. And we installed it, got a new sink, and this thing is beautiful. I sure wish you guys could see this black as good as I can. It sure just doesn't show up on camera like it does in person. I've got that counter installed, got the homeowner cleaning it up. Apparently he must like it, wants to see it shine.
That is a good looking counter.
What do you think, Clayton? You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
I love it. It's one of my favorites.
Maybe go for front.
This is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Thanks for watching.